Alright guys, we got the Audi A4 engine, 2-liter. We're gonna be installing this oil pump right here. This is the original oil pump. There's nothing wrong with this, so we're gonna be installing this. Just make sure you get that screen back in here. I've seen one on a couple engine that I did previously before. There's no screen, so make sure that screen is all in there. So it goes this way. 3 bolts right there. Oh, see, look at that. It just come out. Just came off like that. So it goes in. Secure that screen in there. Make sure it's in there. Nice and flush. Okay, so before you torque this thing down, make sure to put the chain on here. There's no marking on this chain except right there. So we're gonna have to put this on the mark. Obviously you don't need to, but it's just like nothing to do with it. Because we're here, I guess we'll put that on the right mark. Okay, it goes like that. There's a mark right there. Alright guys, so before you put this oil pump chain back on here, make sure to put the primary chain in first before the oil pump, because there's double sprocket right here. So the primary chain goes in first before the oil pump chain. So let's put this marking in the right spot. Alright guys, so our mark is right here. Okay, I'm gonna put that dark link on that mark, just like that. That's all locked in there, and now we're gonna put the oil pump chain on. Same thing with the dark, link it with the dark chain, just like that. And then there's a tension on this that we're gonna do right after, but so far just let it sit like that. And we're gonna be bolting this thing down, and we'll put the other stuff on top. Alright guys, we're gonna be installing this baffle right here. There's only 3 bolts in here. I believe it goes like this, just like that. There's 3 bolts right there, nothing on this side. Just nice and snug. Don't get too crazy with this. You want to strip it, just like that. Alright guys, so it's time to put this oil pan gasket. I spread some silicone already, ready to go. Alright, here we go. Alright, put all the bolts down and then torque them down. Look at that, guys. It's just slowly getting there. Ready to go. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and then I'll see you again on the next video.